Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here with video number 9 for the word of the day with Create with Becca. And the word of the day for November 12th, yes, is the word face. And let's see if I can do it. We're going to do our face. Let's see, we draw a circle. Well, and then we have the nose here, right? We have our mouth here, and our eyes, like that. Let's fix this eye. Gotta fix it a little more. There. Now, I want to redo the nose. That's as close as I'm going to get it. So let's fix here. Get the Cupid's bow. There. And that's it. That is my face. I hope you like it. So this is video number 9 for November 12th prompt, a word of the day, and the word is face. So please be kind, be caring, be happy, be crafty, be blessed, and always remember, you're on the channel that creates everything with love in every stitch. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, ooh, happy crafting on a budget. Sorry about that. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.